The Kentucky Department for Public Health is reporting an increase in a highly contagious respiratory illness. Dozens of cases of pertussis or whooping cough are being reported across the state, including in Jefferson County. It's often found in school-aged children, but infants and adults can also be infected. Doctors are concerned by the growing numbers with schools out for summer break.
It's not unusual to actually see whooping cough. However, the numbers that are being seen, that is definitely unusual. It's usually not that prevalent as it is right now.
And there are vaccines to protect your family from whooping cough. However, if you get infected, it can be treated with antibiotics.